principle of genetic inheritance that is codified by Mendel's law of independent assortment. This law asserts that when two pairs of traits are present in a hybrid organism, the segregation of alleles for one trait does not influence the segregation of alleles for another trait. To visualize this genetic principle, we can effectively employ the Punnett square, a powerful tool that helps us comprehend how different genes segregate independently during the process of meiosis, leading to the formation of gametes, in this case, eggs and pollen from an F1RRYY plant. Focusing on the segregation of a single pair of genes, R and R, we observe that half of the gametes will contain the R allele, while the remaining half will carry the R allele. In addition to carrying either the R or R allele, each gamete will also possess one of the alleles Y or Y. It is crucial to understand that the 50% division of R and R alleles occurs independently from the 50% division of Y and Y alleles. Thus, each gamete inherits combinations of these alleles in a way that each pair of traits distributes separately. In the context of genetic inheritance, it's intriguing how the distribution of alleles works through gametes during reproduction. Specifically, when considering the gametes produced by a particular cross, it's essential to remember that 50% of the gametes carrying the R allele also have the Y allele, while the remaining 50% carry the Y allele. Similarly, this correspondence occurs with the R allele, leading to an equal distribution between the Y and Y alleles. As a result, there are four distinct genotypes among the gametes: Ry, 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 and Ry, each occurring with a frequency of 25%, or 1/4, of the total gametes formed. By organizing these different types of eggs and pollen on the sides of a Punnett square, it becomes straightforward to predict and understand the potential genetic composition of the resulting zygotes, which ultimately develop into the F2 generation of plants. This method provides a clear visualization of genetic inheritance and is an invaluable tool in fields such as genetics and biology. It just means that in gamete formation, if Y combines with R, it is not necessary that Y also combines with R, only that means both YY are independent of each other to choose their partner.